First, we need to go to this PC and check the memory allocation of C drive. You can see now it should be in 80 to 100 GB free space, but here you can see low memory space. This is also one of the reason for causing the issue. So after that, you need to go to the Epic Game Launcher. Click the Epic Game Launcher, and in this you have scroll down, and you have seen the bottom side you have Fortnite download is that. Click the download option and go to download settings. In this download setting, you can see the default install directory. Now see it's in C drive, but we not have the C drive location. So make sure if you C drive should be in 80 to 100 GB free space, or else you can change the location of the installation. But my recommendation, it should be in C drive. You can allocate the memory space and make 80 to 100 GB free for C drive. Okay. And next step, we need to go to search for go to search, and here you need to type the following text. Go to run, and here you need to type the following text: local app data, percentage local app data. Type it and click OK. And here you can see the Epic Game Launcher is there. Click it and go to saved folder. Click saved folder, and you have seen the web cache is there. You can delete the web cache. Sometimes web cache is unable to delete because the Epic Game is running in background if you enable the background application. So that's why you need to go to Task Manager and scroll down, and you have seen the Epic Game Launcher is available in Task Manager. So here you need to end the task. End the task of all the Epic Game Launchers and background running app, and close it. And now you can retry it. It will delete perfectly. Once complete after, you need to go to the crashes folder, and inside the folder, if there is any folders or files, means you need to delete it. So don't panic, it will not delete your account or anything. It's only deleting the caches and crashes folder. And after, you need to go to settings and go to Windows Update and check for update. If there is any update, means you need to update the Windows. So if pending an installation update, means you need to completely update it and install it. So sometimes it causes issue. So after that, you need to restart your PC.